All right, if you are looking to go on a real adventure, and I mean a real adventure, a real one.
A real one.
A real adventure. Rising Tide Explorers is offering a drop-off kayak service so you can get out and get on the water and have a great day.
ABC 7's Kristen Clarke is doing just that. She is out on the water and showing us how we can do this weekend. Good morning.
Good morning, Jen and Greg. It feels so nice to be outside, out on the water here in Southwest Florida. We just saw a beautiful sunrise, which you can still see a little bit of right behind that building. Nice orange, yellow. Kind of wish Mackenzie was here to tell us the scientific term for that. But anyway, we're with Rising Tide Explorers because they have drop-off kayak rentals, right? Tell us more about it.
Sure do, yeah. So it's a beautiful morning today, but you can come out to the Isle of Capri Paddlecraft Park. Just give us a ring at our website and we'll drop off rentals here. Or at your home or condo on Marco Island in South Naples so that you can get out and enjoy this beautiful weather.
Yeah, this is what people I think are needing, especially right now. And you have virtual resources and maps as well, right?
Yeah, virtual maps that you can download so you can navigate real easy out here. And there's also a lot of virtual programming we're doing right now with lectures and Battle of the Bay, which is a raffle competition, and all kinds of fun stuff like that on the website.
And what I think is really cool is that you can download those guides and it goes over as a layer on Google Maps so you can track where you are, make sure you know where you're going. Yeah. But something else that's cool about what you can see out here is this little island.
Yeah, so we got a really cool oyster bed up here where we often find lots of cool critters. So we always come up to this, and we're going to launch our private guided tours again come Monday, where we come and we look for all these critters and really examine and look into the cool things about Southwest Florida, like
what'd
these
you find there?
Oyster beds. So this is a big clump of oysters, and as the only biologist guided eco tour company in Southwest Florida, we're a bunch of nerds, and we love sharing all this cool stuff with you guys. So this is a keystone species out here in the estuary, the eastern oyster. And they do a lot for us, and they're good habitat for other critters too.
Wow, and of course when you guys book tours, it also, part of it goes to Rookery Bay, which that helps keep up with all of the funding, and those are the people who are really taking care of this bay. Yeah,
so Rookery Bay Reserve, we're the exclusive eco tour operator for the reserve, and a portion of the proceeds from all the rentals and all the tours that we go to support the reserve. So, you know, it's not just small businesses that are having trouble during this time, it's nonprofits and places that help keep this place beautiful and do the research and the education. So if you're gonna go rent a kayak or go on a kayak tour and you're looking for someone to go with, you can know that if you go with us, not only are you getting a qualified guide, but you're helping to support the very place that we're going to enjoy.
I love it. Thank you so much for having us, helping us get back out on the water. Jen, Greg, I think we're going to go look for some more oysters until then.
That's the place to be.
Oh, beautiful way to spend the morning. Thank you so much, Kristen. And if you are looking for a real-life adventure, head to Rising Tide Explorers, where you can get out on the water as well. They have the virtual resources and maps online, as mentioned, to help guide you on your own. Check out their website and Facebook for more info.
And if you have an idea that we can showcase here on More Explorers, just let us know about it. We want to get you in the great things in the community in the spotlight. Right now it's 6:48 in the morning.